Welcome to Flocktails. And today we're going to do something absolutely absurd. I'm going to make a cocktail with a PEEP. It's almost Easter. You might as well have fun with these stupid sugary marshmallow things. So what better way than to use ingredients that make absolutely no sense together? We're going to start with tequila. I'm going to use some Camarena, just a reposado. It really doesn't matter what reposado because I'm not really going to taste it anyway. I have an egg white. I separated it myself, all with my own two hands. If you don't know how, it's really easy. If somebody makes a comment that they want to know how to separate an egg white, I suppose I can show you. Lemon juice. I just squeezed a whole lemon. Casey saw me do it. She's my witness. So this is real fresh lemon juice. This is freshly brewed white tea. Yes. Why do you put white tea in a cocktail? I don't know, except when I was writing this, the balance sounded good. We're about to find out. And last but not least, a bottle of Da Vinci Gourmet Naturals strawberry syrup. Yes, it's going to be pink. So let me grab a shaker with ice and we'll get started. So I kind of forgot that there's another ingredient. I don't know why, because I had them sitting on the bar. We're going to need some strawberries. So what I'm going to start with is 3 freshly cleaned, nice and cold from the refrigerator strawberries. Want a strawberry?
Yes, please.
And we'll throw 3 of those into the shaker. Okay. And I'm not going to muddle them, but we're going to break them by shaking them. We're going to add our egg white, because what goes better than strawberries and eggs? Yeah, yummy. That's what I thought. Hey, I had a couple drinks when I wrote this. I haven't even tasted it yet. All right, then we're going to add about an ounce of lemon juice. Look at that. Perfect. That is 1 ounce of lemon juice. Exactly 1 ounce from 1 whole lemon. I'm going to add some white tea. Now, this is going to be a guess, but I'm thinking probably about the same amount as the lemon juice. I can't imagine it would need more than that.
Yeah.
It's still hot, but that's okay. It won't be in a minute. Strawberry syrup. Well, I don't know. I wrote down an ounce. So we're going to try it the way I wrote it. And this is real strawberry syrup, not phony, yucky, nasty, cheap Walmart syrup.
Yeah.
Last but not least, we need tequila. So I figure we've done an ounce of everything else. We'll do 2 ounces of this. Clean the jigger in the process. Actually smells good. All right. We're going to shake. We try to bruise the strawberries real good. And now I'm going to grab some ice for the glass. All right. Oh, wow. Look at that.
Ooh.
It's kind of pretty.
It is.
Oh, my goodness.
Ooh. Very pink.
Very pink. Pink, pink. Definitely pink.
You got to garnish it with the marshmallow.
Yeah, we got to get the guy to sit on there. You got to kind of make him some butt cheeks. All right, so that's what it looks like. It looks completely ridiculous. Smells pretty good.
That's dangerous. That's really good. Oh my goodness.
Oh my.
That's really good.
I did not expect it to be that good.
That was really good.
So we're going to call this the PEEP Strawberry Sour. And yeah, that, uh-oh. Until next time, eat and drink fabulous, you might want to make a PEEP Strawberry Sour while you can buy PEEPs. I mean, you don't really need the PEEP, but it makes it
It's
look
just for fun.
yeah, it's silly. See you soon.